Marami kaming naririnig na tanong tungkol sa gas-operated na enduro ng Little Rider PH. Kaya today, sasagutin natin ang pinakamadalas itanong ng mga clients natin. Pwede ba to sa highway? The answer is no. Ang mga enduro motorcycles ng Little Rider PH are designed for recreational use. Ibig sabihin, hindi po ito for on-road or for highway use. Kailangan ba may lisensya? The answer is no. Bakit? Kasi hindi naman ito gagamitin for public roads. Ang mga enduro motorcycles natin are classified as recreational units or toys designed for kids and teens. Specifically for off-road riding. Hindi ito rehistrado for highway use, so hindi rin ito sakop ng regular motorcycle licensing. Pwede ba ito sa matanda? Technically kaya, pero hindi namin siya recommended. Design ng mga units na ito for kids and teens para ma-maximize ang performance at safety. Hindi ito designed for adult weight and usage. Kapag adult ang gumagamit, mas mabilis ang wear and tear at hindi na ma-optimize ang performance. So kung pangregalo sa kids, perfect. Pero kung adult use, hindi talaga siya intended for that. May warranty ba ito? Yes, we provide 1-week engine warranty. Sa shop pa lang, tinitest na namin ang mga unit para ma-turn over ng maayos at fully functional. Pero importante ito, ang mga off-road units, once ginamit sa heavy terrain, racing or modifications, considered na siya as heavy use. At tulad ng mga big brands ng cars or motorcycles, kapag ginamit mo ito sa racing, off-roading, or modified ang unit, automatic void ang warranty. Ang mga consumables tulad ng spark plug, clutch, chain, brake pads, naturally walang warranty dahil sa wear and tear siya. Sa Little Rider PH, hindi lang kami basta nagbebenta ng motor. We make sure na dapat alam nyo kung paano ito gamitin ng tama. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about the ride. It's about safe fun, real adventures, and core memories for our Little Riders. Visit us at Little Rider PH stores or message us for inquiry. Ride safe, ride smart, ride Little Rider. Because here at Little Rider PH, we make kids super happy.